Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we've got an unboxing for you guys. We have the Maison Margiela stuff has finally arrived. I did post a shot on my TikTok, but I just kind of waited for it all to come through. It did actually come quite a while ago. I just kind of forgot to make the video. But yeah, we got it all together. But we've also got a couple of personals that have arrived. Well, I say a couple, just one. But yeah, I'm still looking for like the zip-up hoodie and some other bits from the Margiela collaboration. Let's go take a look at all the stuff that we got and let's review it. But first, I want to show you this. So one of my first packages arrived were the Skatedecks. So we got two of those. They're pretty much simple. They're just plain white. You have to wear the skate deck in order to see inside of it. And obviously I'm not going to show you what it looks like inside because I'm not skating in these, all right? But this is kind of how... This is annoying because this is how I received it from DPD, which is kind of crazy. It was kind of like this. Like that, but it was very visible that you could see it inside, which was kind of annoying. And it was annoying because my dad actually received the package, but he didn't actually mention anything, so he was kind of hoping it was all right, which it was. I mean, the deck's completely fine, so we'll show you the deck right now. I actually put it in one of my other decks. I just thought, you know what, we'll put all the decks in one box, so it's a lot easier. Unfortunately, I can't use that box in case it sells. Here we go. To be fair, it is pretty simple. It's just a plain white deck. I don't know if there's any problems with it. I don't know if there's like a color stain on this. You can be the judge of that. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know where it is. If it's like there. It's kind of like weird, if you know what I mean. On the front, it does have the Margiela label and obviously the print with the 6 and a Supreme sticker and the name of it. Pretty much simple as. Just a white deck. I have two of those. I don't really need to show you the other one because it's pretty much the same. Let's take a look at the hoodie that we got. We have one box logo that we hit. So yeah, I'm not actually like kind of unboxing stuff. I've actually kind of already done the unboxing. But you know what? It's clickbait for the YouTubes. Who really cares? Unless you get really mad. I don't really care. But yeah, this is the box logo. It looks very nice. I actually kind of like it. I think the black one is probably better in terms of wearability versus the white one. I feel like if you get this like a mark on it, it's kind of GG's, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it's a size small. It's really cool. I don't think it's worth the 258 that it was. I think it's like slightly different material as well than original box logo. I think it's an MM6 blank, if I'm not mistaken. It's not as thick as Supreme hoodies, but I could be wrong. But yeah, this MM6 here, and yeah, size small. Pretty nice. We have another parcel. Now, this is one of the personals that I got. Basically, I did some negotiations through Discord, and we worked out a deal. So thank you very much for the guy who sold me this t-shirt that I wanted for personal. So yes, thank you very much. I will say this though, I've kind of like lost on the hype now. It's been like a few weeks. Obviously, I'm still looking for the MM6 zip up, but it's not like I need it kind of thing. You kind of get into like the hype where it's like I need it, and then they kind of like the dopamines kind of like disappear, and it's like, yeah, what the hell? It's like post-nut clarity kind of thing. It's weird. You realizing how much you spend, and it's like, do I really need this? But yeah, I still got a pretty decent deal on this, and I think prices for this t-shirt are still pretty high, so I think it was a good goddamn deal. But yeah, thank you very much. Let's check that out. We have got the liquid blue oversized t-shirts. I believe that is the name, right? And we got a Supreme sticker. Very nice. This is a size large, although to be fair, it is an oversized t-shirt, so I do not know how big this is going to be. This might actually be like a 2XL if it's oversized. It is on the MM6 blank, not a Supreme blank, but yeah, let's take it out the box and let's take a look. That looks cool. I hope the material is pretty decent. It actually is. It's actually... We're actually doing an unboxing, you know, we're actually opening stuff because it is for personal, so... And yeah, brand new dead stock. It's quite big for a t-shirt. And this is size large, so for reference. Guys, I think this is so nice. Oh, it's got that new clove smell. That's actually really nice. Aww. I'm a good coming addict. I love the material. It's not as vibrant as I thought it was, but I mean, it's still pretty good. You got the skulls at the bottom. And yeah, I think you've also got the MM6 tag as well as a Supreme one at the bottom. So there you go. So we got the tag and the Supreme tag on there at the same time. It looks pretty nice. And obviously we got the tag on here as well. We try it on. Let's see what it looks like. That is nice. Yo, I'm digging this. I love it. I think it's really nice. Let's go back a bit. Let's see if you can actually see. Let's take it down a bit. We got the liquid blue. It actually fits pretty good. Got the skulls, got the back. It's not as like oversized as it actually is, but it is actually decently baggy for a large. So I'm pretty happy I went for the large, because it's like, I think the large is kind of like an extra large in the Supreme blank, to be honest. Yeah, I'm fucking with this. I love this so much. I think this is a good t-shirt. Definitely massive props to the guy who sold me for a good price. So yes, thank you very much. He's on the Discord, so if he watches the videos, hello. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. That was all it for Maison Margiela. See ya. Bye.